Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to recall an email in Outlook. Step 1. Open Outlook and go to the sent item folder. Step 2. Double click the sent messages you want to recall to open it in a separate window. Step 3. If you are using the latest version of Outlook for Windows or you are on the web version, select recall message in the toolbar and then choose OK. Skip down to step 7 for older version of Outlook. Go to the Message tab, select the Actions drop-down arrow and choose Recall this message. Step 4. In the dialog box, select one of the following. Delete and read copies of this message to recall the message. Delete and read copies and replace with a new message to replace the message with a new one. Step 5. Select OK. Step 6. If you select it, delete and read copies and replace it with a new message, modify the original message and select Send. Step 7. You receive an Outlook notification message regarding the success or failure of your attempt to retract and replace the email. Requirements for recalling an email message. Recalling emails in Outlook comes with some caveats. Both you and your recipient must be using a Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Exchange email account in the Outlook app, and you must be in the same organization. The recipient's mailbox is open when you attempt to process a recall. The original message is unread and is in the recipient's inbox. The message was not touched by any process such as rule, spam, filter, or add-in. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much.